Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Kwikee 27 series replacement electric RV steps. This is going to replace the steps, motor, and control unit for your Kwikee 27 series steps. So if you already had the 27 series on your motorhome or RV, this is going to be a direct replacement for you. So you can trust that it's going to work well for you. This is going to feature the steps and the control unit as well as the motor. So that motor is a 12 volt motor that's going to work with the gearbox to extend and retract your steps. The control unit is what's going to wire to the sensor on your door to extend them when your door is open. When the door closes, it will retract them again. This is not going to feature the switch kit that you might currently have installed on your RV that will allow you to override that and lock it out so that you can keep your steps out. But if you are replacing them, you might already have that kit already installed, so you could just easily hook that up and have all that same functionality again. Now this is a really nice replacement for you. It's going to feel basically exactly like the original. The step width, we're looking at right about 29 inches exactly. Let me come over here a little bit, see if you can see that better. About 29 inches. And then our depth is just shy of 11 inches, so 10 7/8 of an inch. We do have a drop or rise of about 8 inches. So that should be very comfortable for you. That's about the same as standard in most homes. So should feel like being at home. So very comfortable for you. You can see this does have the non-slip tread to make it easier as you're getting in and out. You don't have to worry about slipping on the steps. And they do have the reflective strip here. Again, in the low light situations, make sure that you know where the edge of the step is so that you're going to be safe as you're going in and out. They do also have the amber light there, so that it will help illuminate the steps so you don't have to worry about that in the dark. These are a great sturdy step. They're steel constructed, so they give you a weight capacity of 300 pounds, so should be plenty for most situations. They do have the black powder coat on them to help withstand weathering. Also has weatherproof wiring, again, to help withstand the elements. So it's going to be really nice. Just like the original, this does have the feature so that when they're extending out, you were to hit a post or something, some sort of object, they're going to automatically retract back in. They also have the safety feature that if you turn on your ignition, they're going to automatically retract, so you don't have to worry about driving down the road with your steps hanging out where you could potentially hit something and cause damage. So all the same features as the originals. Now, one thing that you will want to pay attention to is this top plate here. This is where you're going to install it on your RV or motorhome. This does have pre-drilled holes already, and you want to make sure that this is going to fit in with your current setup to replace the original. This mounting plate is right at 28 7/8, just shy of 29 inches wide by 11 3/8, so just over 11 1/4 inches deep. Our bolt pattern here, we're going to go from the bolt holes in the far corners. Those are right at 26 inches wide by 8 3/4 of an inch deep. So make sure that that's going to line up with your system. Should be very easy to get this installed. The hardware is not included, so you will have to provide that yourself. But another measurement I want to give you is the extended height. So when we have it out like this, from the bottommost point up to the top point of our mounting bracket there, we're looking at right about 14.5 inches total. And then when we have it closed, when the steps are retracted. That same measurement from the bottom there to the top, it's going to go down to 7 5/8 of an inch. One more measurement I want to give you is our overall width. So you can see that we've got these pieces that stick out a little bit farther than our mounting plate. So when we take those into consideration, from widest point to widest point, we're looking at right at 30 5/8 of an inch wide. So again, if you already have the Kwikee 27 series steps, none of that should matter for you. It should all be the same, so you don't really have to worry about it. Just wanted to give you a little bit more encouragement that this is going to work for your setup. These steps are made here in the USA, so you can trust they're made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. And really, I think these are just going to get the job done for you, going to allow you to get back out and enjoy your RV again. So if you are replacing damaged steps, these will feel like they're original for you and just give you that solid feel as you're getting in and out of your RV so that you can focus more on enjoying your time outdoors. And that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.